Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Today I am fixing spaghetti, and I am fixing to make some garlic cheese bombs to go with the spaghetti, and I'm going to show y'all how I am fixing to do that. First, you're going to need one cup and 1/3 of a cup of warm water, and you're just going to add that to the bowl. So here's the 1/3 of a cup. And 1 cup of warm water. Now we're going to add 2.5 teaspoons of dry yeast. I'm using the active dry yeast. Alright, our yeast is in, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Alright, and the sugar is in. Now I am going to stir this up and let it set for about 10 minutes, just until it throbs, and then I'll show you what to do next. Alright, when your yeast is ready, it should look like this. It's been 10 minutes. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to use olive. We're going to add a teaspoon of salt and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Now, once you got everything in, you're just going to mix this up into a ball form. Now, once you got your bread mixed up, it should look about like this. I coated the bowl in some oil, and I put the dough in here and rolled it around, so that's the reason it looks a tad bit oily. And you're going to set this somewhere warm and let it rise for 1 hour, and then I'll be back to show you what to do next. Once your dough is ready, it should look about like this, nice and risen and doubled in size. Usually takes about an hour. Alright, next we're going to do, we're going to take a block of cheese. I'm using mozzarella, and we're going to slice this into some pieces. Now you're going to take a piece of your dough, just put a piece of your cheese in it, and then wrap it up in a ball. You can make these as big or as small as you want them, and then layer them in an old pan and do them all that way. Now here's what it looks like. Now you're going to leave them setting to do a second rise for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright, now while we're waiting on the cheese bombs to rise a second time, we're going to take some butter. I got 2 tablespoons here, and we're going to melt it in the microwave. Now once your butter is melted, I'm going to add, you can add whatever seasons you like, but I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and some Italian seasoning to this and mix it up. Alright, once your cheese bombs have rose, they should look like this. And you're just going to take that butter mixture you made and coat them in it. Preheat your oven to 400. Alright, should look like this. Now you're going to pop these in the oven at 400 for 12 minutes, and then they'll be done. And there you go. Garlic cheese bombs with spaghetti, and that's what's for supper. See if I can. Nice and cheesy. I did sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan on them about halfway through, but that's it. Well, that's all for today. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and I will talk to y'all later. Please like and subscribe. Bye.